Hey, to enable automatic stress test in the HUAWEI Band 9, first of all, you have to open the HUAWEI Help application, go into the devices, select your HUAWEI Band 9, now scroll until you find the health monitoring and click on this automatic stress test. Then tap on the right upper corner to turn it on, and now we have to actually perform the calibration to enable this function. As you can see, we have to put our band on our wrist like this, and it will actually take around 60 seconds. So when you click start, it will actually start measuring like this, but also we have to actually answer this 12 questions. This is actually the question, and there's the answers. And at the bottom you can also find information that it actually, the technical support is provided by the Institute of Psychology at the Chinese Academy of Science. So when you go forward and accept all of these questions like this, you will be able to use this stress test. So yeah, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.